Pure Venom here, bringing you another video. Like I said, I was going to be doing this in a monthly review style, so we are still working with Full Restore, as you can see. We already reviewed their Play product. Now we're going to be talking about their Login product. So it's a multivitamin. It's got vitamin A, B, I should say B1, B2, B3, B5, calcium, C, D. It's pretty much good for the whole body. It's like Centrum, but on crack for gamers is what, and that's their slogan. So I'm going to go with it. I think it's pretty cool. So I've been taking this for a little over a month and a half now. Wanted to get a good impression on it. Multivitamins are going to be one of those things where you have to wean off your other ones and then go on to these. So I've been using them for roughly about the last month and a half now, and I could definitely say gameplay's been good. Reaction time's been good too. That also helps with the login, not the login, the play. But the biggest thing is that as you all know, I go to the gym, I work out, joints and everything. I'm fairly beaten up from football and everything like that, and I feel really good when I'm actually taking these. So if you wanted to know, at least at a athletic perspective, what I somewhat am, I would definitely say they're a very solid product. Also, they're very inexpensive. I want to say they're, if you buy the Login and Play, it's roughly like $35. If you use the Helix logo, if you use the Helix promo, you get it for about right around $30. So really good product. You get both of them for $15. You can't really beat it. But overall, as a multivitamin, it does a really good job. As you all know, I work in the tech industry with Microsoft Teams and also just general IT. Those are very weighing days. When I'm taking this, I feel great. I don't need to have really anything going on additionally. As we all know, we're typing, we're playing with the mouse all day. I do have some ergonomic stuff that I do use, but still I get hand fatigue, I get wrist fatigue. Currently right now, because I've been taking this, I really don't see as much, mainly because of a lot of the vitamins that are in here, also the calcium, zinc, magnesium, selenium, so on and so forth. I could read off the whole list. I'll have the product labels somewhere right here. Also, I'll have a better picture somewhere right there. I forgot, camera angles are flipped. But no, it's a really good product. I would definitely say, if you're looking for something that's not just gaming oriented, but something that is going for well-being, health, it's definitely something I would recommend. Believe me, I would tell you guys if I felt that there was an issue or a problem with it. It does have a weird smell. I think that's mainly because a lot of it's a natural product, and also it's these little capsules, so these typically have a weird smell to begin with. Doesn't deter me at all. I mean, my pre-workout and protein either smell or taste not as great. Actually, the pre-workout tastes way worse than this. Overall, I would say I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. At least in my personal experience. As I've been playing Call of Duty. We've been streaming it, also playing Magic the Gathering. I've been streaming that also. For Magic, it's definitely a mind game. I would say it's very similar to chess. So you're primarily trying to figure out your opponent's next 5 steps before what's going on. So this is definitely helping me with studying way people are playing. Also, just because you get the brain functionality, and you're giving your body good material to work with. So. But overall, Full Restore, they've been a great company. Let's talk about a little bit of the packaging and then also shipping and everything like that. So packaging comes in a blister pack. It's not a blister pack, but it comes in a soft shell pack. So it's bubble wrapped pretty much. and it goes through USPS. So I ordered it on I think it was like Sunday or Monday. It takes roughly about 5 to 7 business days now, since it goes through the USPS. They are absolutely terrible in their timing. I'm finally getting a package from over a month ago. So depending on your area, your U.S. Postal Service may take a little bit longer than normal. As we all know, I live in the Cleveland area. We have the worst postal service in the whole country, so that's why it takes so long for certain things to get over to me. But they do come out of California. They're very fast shipping. As you all know, I also work very closely with them. So whether it's, you know, giveaways or product, the product that we work with here, or just working with the team on, you know, trying to get, you know, better examples for things. So like we actually have a whole chart for our speed tests for the human reaction time. We use the website. So like I was saying, we have been giving them analytics and also giving them feedback on products. On my end, I try to give as much as I can. So, but overall, I would definitely say they're a great product, great company. Also, they're really great to talk to. So if you're on social media, I know they talk through Twitter, and I believe they have a Discord. I'm not exactly sure. Don't quote me on that. If not, you should have a Discord. It would definitely help with customers, and also if you have problems with tickets. I've been finding a lot of companies that are doing that. I know like Astro Gaming does it. Our clothing apparel company, Gummy Apparel, does that. And then also Microsoft is actually starting to do that with a ticketing system. So that's actually kind of cool. I don't know how far along they are with it. I was just digging around trying to see what other companies did it. So if you guys haven't thought of it, I would definitely say that would be a great idea. Also, packaging, really nothing to talk about. It's a standard medicine bottle. Works. I know a lot of people typically will have these as a child-proof, maybe down the road. I don't see why that would be a big deal to begin with. I keep everything up on top shelf. I have dogs, so I don't have kids. So if you have kids, comment down below on why we need, you know, all these safety things for, you know, very basic stuff. But I once again want to say I appreciate everybody who follows the channel and also likes the content. Definitely helps me out, so please like and subscribe, because I can make more videos instead of them being like once a month or every so often. My goal is to try to get, you know, between 3 to 5 a month. As you can tell, I haven't done that. I've been busy with some of my Magic stuff and doing Call of Duty. Also, we're going to be doing another product launch here shortly, so we should see some videos on that. If you guys want Magic the Gathering stuff, you know, let me know. We definitely make some videos on that. But you guys have a great one. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon, and also stay safe. Bye.